Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Chevy Equinox and we're doing an oil change, and stay with us, we'll show you how to do that. We did an engine replacement and we have many videos how to do front end work and things like that as well. So make sure you check the channel out. Also, we have amazing channel that we have amazing builds and it's growing crazy fast. Check this one out, it's in the description below. And now let's go ahead and change the oil on that thing. Okay guys, so if you jack it up on one side a little bit on the passenger side like that, always make sure you use a jack stand. It'll be easier to use. And you will need a 13mm wrench. Okay, and if you go underneath, right there, that's where the oil plug is located. So you just need to get this one loose. Okay, take it off all the way and drain the oil. You need to make sure you have enough to catch it. We'll check the capacity in a little bit in the manual and see exactly what it says. This is a 3.4 engine. Okay, and we just let it drain now. So guys, if you go in the manual to capacities, okay, right there, capacities 584. Okay, you can check how much your vehicle will need. Okay, engine oil with filter 4.5 quarts or 4.3 liters if you're using the metric system. So that's how much we're going to add once we're done draining the oil. Okay, we drain it and now we need to install the oil plug again, and we need to get that thing tight. Don't forget that thing. Okay, get it tight now, don't leave it for later, because if you forget and you lose it, you will need a new engine. Okay, now the oil filter is located right in front of the oil pan. You can see that's the front end of the vehicle. And those, you can even get them loose by hand if they were installed the right way. We'll show you how to do that. Okay, when you remove it, make sure the gasket comes with it. And if the engine is hot, always be careful because the oil could be very hot and burn you. So we'll recommend using gloves and do it when the oil is not as hot. Okay, right there. Always make sure you dispose them the right way. Take it to a recycling center. Okay, that's the oil filter we're using from PH3387 for our vehicle. You can check, make sure you get the right filter. Okay, and now what you need to do, you need to get some of the clean oil and you need to apply it on the gasket. That way it will not get stuck next time you do an oil change. Okay, just like that. And you can even, if you want to prevent a dry start, you can fill it up a little bit with oil. Okay, that way the vehicle will not run without oil for a few seconds. Okay, that should be good. It doesn't need to be too much, it will fill it up quick, but it will help it some. And now we need to go ahead and install it. Okay, make sure you get that thing tight. Just get it tight by hand as much as you can. Don't use any special tools because it will get stuck and you won't be able to remove it next time. Okay, that's good. And we're done under the vehicle now. Okay, now we need to remove the oil cap, and we need to add 4.5 quarts all together that you did with the filter. Okay, so this is a 5-quart jug, so we need to have half a quart left. And that should be good. We'll start it and check it and let you know if that's enough or not. Okay, we are done adding oil now. You need to remove the funnel, put the cap on, make sure you do that. 3 things not to forget: oil plug, oil filter and the oil cap on top once you're done. Okay, and now let's see if we have enough oil before we start the vehicle. It might even show that it's a little bit too much because the filter is still not full all the way. Okay, so we're gonna wipe the dipstick, pull it again and measure, make sure the vehicle is leveled. It's a little bit overfilled now. Okay, let's go start it now, and we need to make sure that we have good level after that. just let it run for about a minute, even less, 30 seconds should be good. Fill it up. And after you turn it off, you will need to let it stay for at least 5 to 10 minutes before you get an accurate reading. Okay, let's pull the dipstick now, wipe it again and see how we're doing now. Okay, right there, it's all the way to the full. So 4.5 quarts will fill it all the way. Do not overfill it because you will damage your catalytic converters. And that's a whole procedure, guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.